Family expected me to pay for everything and didn't give me a choice. I live abroad, far from my family. My grandpa recently passed away, and in my culture, it's tradition to create prayer books for the deceased and share them with the community. I wanted to be a good granddaughter and agreed to pay for the books, but I asked if I could choose where we get them from to avoid ridiculous prices. Somehow the whole family interpreted that as an unlimited budget. I never agreed to that, but I didn't say anything at first. Today, I shared some design options in the family group chat for everyone to vote on. Then my aunt just stepped in and said my oldest cousin will be choosing the design and I need to coordinate with her. The said cousin then chimed in, saying she has chosen a design. No input from me or anyone else in the family. I told my mom and aunt privately that if I have no say in this and she's just making decisions alone, then I'm not paying the full cost. I'm willing to pitch in, but not for the whole bill, after which I was called ungrateful, hearing that I'm rich because I earn more money, and that I should just pay because I can. Honestly, in my family, keeping peace is usually prioritized above anything else. So I'm not sure